Hey guys, so today I have my FabFitFun box for fall, so let's get into it and see what's in here. Alright, so the first item that I see in my box is from AfterSpa, and this is a hair towel. I actually have never owned a hair towel, and I've actually wanted to try one, so this is pretty cool. This retails for $18. Alright, so the next product that I see in here is from HUMAN+KIND, and this is a body souffle. So let's see what it smells like. It smells really good. It's almost like a fresh citrus smell. It says it's vegan and cruelty-free and naturally derived. Ooh, it sinks into the skin really quickly too. Ooh, I really like that. And this retails for $18. So far, I'm not really seeing the fall vibes here, but okay. Next thing in here is from Harper plus Ari, and this is the exfoliating sugar cubes. Ooh, I want to eat these. This smells like Jamba Juice. Like when you walk into Jamba Juice and just like the smell of everything, that's what this smells like. Oh my god. Anyways, these retail for $16 and you're supposed to use them in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. So I will definitely be using these just because, ooh, that smell it's amazing. I love that smell. Okay, next in here is from Aveda, and this is the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Ooh, definitely made for me. This retails for $30, and it's a leave-in treatment. So I will definitely try this out. I could always use some help with my damaged hair. Alright, next thing in here, looks like this is the mystery choice item. And this is the Murad Renewing Eye Cream. So let me look this up and see how much it costs. Okay, so this is $82. That's expensive. So this better make me look like a baby under my eyes because holy crap. That pays for almost 2 of these boxes. Alright, next thing in here is from Aromatherapy Associates. And this is the Deep Relax Roller Ball. Restful and tranquil. This retails for $29. And it says that it is a relaxing blend of chamomile, vetiver, and sandalwood. So, usually I feel like they throw in lavender there to calm people. So these are good just for putting on like your pulse points or behind your ears to relax. Ooh, yes, it's very sandalwoody. Very sandalwoody. I don't know, I don't feel any more relaxed, but it's only been on there for like 5 seconds, so give it some time to work, I guess. The next thing in here is from Baublebar, and these are the Farah ear crawlers. These retail for $34. So I can't really wear ear crawlers right now because I have new piercings trying to heal right here. Maybe I could just wear them down. I don't know, but I really love ear crawlers when I'm able to wear them, and these are really super pretty, so I will definitely wear them when I can. And then it looks like the last thing in here is from Twine Living Company, and this is the Gourmet Wood and Ceramic Cheese Board gift set. So this retails for something $30. So this would be a really good gift for like Christmas, I feel. Or, I mean, even if I wanted to keep this myself. I don't really eat cheese, but I don't know, maybe I'll find a use for it or just give it as a gift. That's really nice. And it's a removable ceramic plate on this wood cheese board with these really nice gold embellished knife things. So yeah, maybe I'll just put it in my kitchen and find a use for it because it's really pretty. I don't know. Alright, so that's all of the products in my FabFitFun box for fall. I really don't understand how this was fall-like in any way. I don't really get it. I don't know. Like exfoliating your dry skin because it's getting colder. I don't know, maybe. And moisturizing your dry skin because it's getting colder. I don't know. I just don't see like the fall vibe here. Just like random assortment of products. I don't know, but I do generally like everything that I got. The only thing I'm not sure that I will use is the cheese board, just because I don't eat cheese. It's gross. But everything else I will definitely use and generally like. I really, really love the smell of the body souffle and love the smell of the exfoliating sugar cubes. This is what I want everything to smell like all the time. Just like Jamba Juice. That's what it is. Okay. So let me know what you guys got in your FabFitFun box if you subscribe to FabFitFun. And I will see you in the next video.